If you're ready to refresh and organize your space, Hobby Lobby is here to help. With a focus on some of the most used areas of the home, here are simple solutions for getting your living room, kitchen, and office in order. A few quick and easy changes can make a big visual impact. Add new accents here and there, refresh your floral arrangements, and swap in colorful pillows. Once you've updated the aesthetic in the living room, it's time to start organizing. A command center can help your household stay on top of your busy lives. Hang wire baskets to hold important items, maximize limited space with a vertical organizer, and customize chalkboards with vinyl, stickers, and magnets to fit your family's needs. Hobby Lobby is your one-stop shop for all kinds of kitchen storage. Set up your cabinets so everything is easy to access. When it comes to decluttering, dividers and organizers are your best friend. Clear jars and containers are great for keeping pantry staples fresh, and tiered trays mean they're visible at a glance. Here are some tips for making your home office work for you. Hang memo boards for helpful reminders and to-do lists. Streamline your productivity with divided organizers, decorative boxes, a wireless charger, and other office supplies that free up valuable real estate on your desk. From baskets and bins to kitchen storage and office organizers, there's always something new to discover at Hobby Lobby. Start your home refresh today by shopping in-store or online at hobbylobby.com. For more inspiration, subscribe to Hobby Lobby's YouTube channel and click the bell to be notified when we add new videos. We can't wait to help you live a creative life.